Hello students. Next topic in the excretory system, that is excretory system in human beings. About us, మనలో excretory system ఎలా ఉంటుందో let us study. In human beings, excretion mainly occurs through a urinary or excretory system. It contains of a one pair of kidney, pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. In human beings, excretion mainly occurs through a urinary or excretory system. మనలో ఎక్స్క్రీషన్ అనేది సెండింగ్ వేస్ట్ మెటీరియల్ outside by the urinary or excretory system. In excretory system, some parts are there. Those are pair of kidney. We will discuss other slide. I will show you. Pair of ureters and urinary bladder and urethra. This may be asked for your one mark question. What are the parts in excretory system in human beings? The human excretory system contains of a pair of kidney, pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. These are the parts. Now let us observe external and internal structure of goat, which is similar to human kidney function. Now we will discuss and observe the structure of kidney of a goat or sheep after our schools start. I will show you the structure of a goat kidney. This function and structure is similar to humans. మనలో ఎలా దాని స్ట్రక్చర్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో గోట్లోది కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ దిస్ ల్యాబ్ యాక్టివిటీ aim to observe the internal structure of a kidney. Materials required: freshly collected specimen of sheep, goat, kidney from a butcher అంటే ఏంటంటే మార్కెట్ నుంచి. 3D మోడల్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కిడ్నీ, షార్ప్ బ్లేడ్, స్కాల్పెల్, ట్రే అండ్ ఏ జగ్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ మెటీరియల్స్. Procedure for observation: before bringing the kidney to the lab, wash it thoroughly so that blood is completely drained from it. దాన్ని మంచి గడగాలి. Put the kidney in the tray and observe it carefully. Note your observation in the observation book. With the help of sharp blade, take a longitudinal section. Here too are advised to do activity under the guidance of your teacher and observe the internal structure. ఏం చేయాలంటే కిడ్నీని తీసుకొని మనం క్లీన్గా దాన్ని వాష్ చేసి అండ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్, outer structure of the kidney when you keep it in a tray and take a sharp blade or scalpel, cut this kidney with longitudinal అంటే పైనుంచి కిందికి ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. ఆఫ్ అంటే పైనుంచి కిందికి సగం చేయాలి. నౌ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ సమ్ పార్ట్స్ అండ్ కలర్ in the kidney and after observation write down some questions here. What is the shape of kidney shape ఎలా ఉంది? You very familiar about this shape. This kidney shape is like a bean, చిక్కుడు గింజలాగా ఉంది. ఓకే. What is the color of kidney? ఏ కలర్లో ఉంది? బ్రౌన్ కలర్లో ఉంది. Do you find any attachment on upper portion of kidney? కిడ్నీ మీద ఏమైనా అటాచ్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది. హియర్ నో ప్రజెంట్. ఆఫ్టర్ అదర్ డయాగ్రామ్ యూ విల్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఇట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కలర్ ద అవుటర్ పార్ట్ ఇన్ ఎల్ఎస్ కిడ్నీ? లాంగిట్యూడినల్ సెక్షన్ చేసినప్పుడు అవుటర్ పార్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? అవుటర్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ డార్క్ brown color. What is in LS kidney? Where do you find dark brown color portion? Outer side. హౌ మెనీ ట్యూబ్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద కిడ్నీ. ఈ కిడ్నీకి ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద కిడ్నీ హౌ మెనీ ట్యూబ్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ అవుట్. After your observation, you will write the answer. Don't forget to wash your hands with antibacterial lotion after completing the section. This is one precaution. After complete your observation, clean your hands with a antibacterial lotion. Now let us know the structure of human excretory system and its function. Now we will discuss and function of structure function of human excretory system, that is kidneys. In human excretory system, main parts are kidneys. Now let us discuss. A pair of bean-shaped reddish brown structure in the abdominal cavity attached to dorsal body wall on the either side of the backbone. These are kidneys. A pair of kidneys are attached in the abdominal cavity of dorsal body. Dorsal అంటే వెనక వైపు. Abdominal cavity లో dorsal body wall on the either side of the backbone. Backbone ఉంది కదా, backbone. On the either side of the each side, backbone కి నెక్స్ట్ టు నెక్స్ట్ సైడ్లో అటాచ్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి. దీస్ ఆర్ కిడ్నీస్. The right kidney is placed slightly lower than the left kidney. Children, observe. This is right side kidney, this is left side kidney. Right side kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. Left kidney కంటే right side kidney lower, కిందికి ఉంటుంది. Why? Think why it is so. Maybe ask you for your 1 mark question. Due to the present of this side liver. ఇటు సైడ్ లివర్ ఉంటుంది మనకి బాడీలో, ఫ్రంట్ సైడ్లో బిలో ఆఫ్ రిబ్స్ one part in digestion system you observed liver is present. So liver, due to the liver present at this point, so right side kidney is lower than the left side kidney. The size of the kidney is 10 cm in length and 5 to 6 cm in breadth and 4 cm is thickness. Each kidney is 10 cm. 10 cm is length and 5 to 6 cm in breadth and 4 cm thickness, mandam. Each kidney is convex on the outer side and concave on the inner side. Each kidney outer side, this is outer side. Outer side is convex, inner side, this is inner side. Inner side is concave. Concave side of each kidney has a fissure or hilum for each entry of renal artery, exit of a renal vein and an ureter. Concave side of each, concave side, this is concave side. Concave side of each kidney has 3 parts are there. Those are inner side of the kidney is one structure is there, that is called fissure or hilum. This part is called fissure or hilum. From this fissure, two parts. In our previous slide we asked one question, how many parts sending out from the kidney? 2, 1 and 2. One is ureter and another one is renal vein. This is renal vein, blue color, renal vein. And one part enter into the kidney, that is renal artery. Renal artery goes inside, and renal vein and ureter comes out of the kidney. Renal artery brings oxygenated blood with the waste products, and renal vein carries deoxygenated blood. The waste products generated in the body are filtered and removed by the kidney. This is the main function of kidney. Renal artery carries the oxygenated blood into the renal artery carries the deoxygenated blood into the kidney, and renal vein carries deoxygenated blood. This is a renal vein. This carries the deoxygenated blood, and filtered waste products, filtered blood carries this blood to the right side of the heart. And the renal from the various parts which are generated in different parts of the body carries by the renal artery, and this has the blood, oxygenated blood. The kidneys filtered the waste products.